Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The member representing Sagbama Ikirimo Federal Constituency of Bayelsa State in the Federal House of Representatives, Honorable Fred Agbedi, says the true essence of leadership is to impact lives and facilitate transformation in any society. He further emphasized that all elected officials must commit to these ideals to bring about meaningful progress and development in Nigeria. Honorable Fred Agbedi made these remarks after his double recognition by independent and leadership newspapers for outstanding legislative performance.
Honorable Fred Agbedi is a federal legislator representing the people of Sagbama Ikirimo Federal Constituency of Bayelsa State in the Federal House of Representatives. Like the golden fish that has no hiding place, Agbedi's outstanding service and people-centered representation stood him out for commendation and recognition. The first among the recent honors on the federal lawmaker was the Independent Newspaper 2023 Legislator of the Year Award, South-South category.
To Honorable Fred Agbedi, congratulations.
Following almost immediately is the Leadership Newspaper Award for the House of Representatives Parliamentarian of the Year.
We honor you, the Parliamentarian of the Year, and we say continue to do more in Jesus' name.
Indeed, last week would for a long time remain a memorable moment for the experienced legislator and his constituents, who are evidently pleased with his performance in the Green Chamber to keep entrusting him with their mandate for a record fourth time. Speaking to our crew separately after the recognition, Honorable Fred Agbedi said that the honors beckon on him to redouble his efforts in serving the people and the country at large, while also noting that leaders across board must prioritize the welfare of the masses and the development of their societies.
I want to urge all my colleagues to be upright, to be up to their billings, to ensure that they do what can attract this kind of recognition to them. Good works never go in vain.
Visibly pleased constituents and leaders from Bayelsa State think that Agbedi is deserving of all the recognition and accolades bestowed on him. They, however, used the opportunity to urge youths and aspiring leaders from the South-South region to emulate the sterling qualities and virtues of the distinguished parliamentarian.
Hard work pays, dedication pays, diligence pays, and so we advise our youths to continue to stay away from crime and criminality and embrace responsive behavior attitude so as to climb up to the level our brother and leader has gotten to as a member of the House of Reps and even beyond.
If people appreciate you, that means you are doing well. And I advise him and advise others that they should be able to be more committed to providing services.
Honorable Fred Agbedi is the chairman of the South-South Caucus in the House of Representatives, as well as the committee chairman on Federal Capital Territory. He is known for his humility and intellectual prowess, as well as proving dedication to the growth and development of the South-South region and the nation as a whole.
Inside the Niger Delta,